Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing another split makeup look. If you guys checked out my pink and white split makeup look, this time we are doing red and green for the holidays. So what I'm starting out with first is just a little snazzaroo white paint, and I'm just going to start my Great Divide. Then I'm going in with Thebriabeauty's Cherry Bomb Hydro Liner, and I'm just going to do the front of my brow red. And then we're going to go in with Fanny Pack by Suva and do the tail end. Now I'm just taking a little bit of red shadow from the Hank & Henry tie-dye palette just to kind of fade that brow towards the beginning so it's not so harsh looking. And then we're going to continue that divide and bring it on down to the lid. Taking red shadow and green shadow from that Hank & Henry tie-dye palette and just going to fill in the eye. So on the front portion of the eye, I'm doing red, and then as you can see, the back end of my brow bone will be red, and then the two opposite areas will be green. And as you can see, I'm leaving an area in between the red and the green so we can put our white there. Now we're going back in with that snazzaroo white paint, and I'm just going to kind of just cut this in half. Now it's time for the face. I'm taking a little bit of the Georgette Klinger Marula Primer, applying that to the skin, and then we're going to go in with our foundation. And I believe I used the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better foundation. And then we're going to contour using the Hank & Henry Contour Stick. Gonna set that all in place using a little bit of IT Cosmetics Bye Pores Pressed Powder. And then we're also going to apply a little bit of highlight, and I can't remember what I used this day, but I think it's the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Summer Haze. Then I am filling in my waterline using some NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And then we're going to apply the red and the green to the lower lash line. Taking Beat Gang Lashes J'adore Lashes and applying those to my eyes. Be sure to use code BRIA if you want to save some money for Christmas. And that is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this split Christmas holiday makeup look. Remember to live life in color, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.